Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss some words which have same pronunciation but more than two different meanings. So I hope it's going to be very interesting. So let's start. So the first word we are going to discuss is BAIT, bait, means pralobhan. Example: live worms are used as bait. BATE, bait, means crowd. He got into a stinking bait. With the same spelling, one more word is there. BATE, bait, means ghatana. I was unable to bait my enthusiasm. Next word, BAND, band, means a group, giroh. 3 members of the band went down with flu. With the same spelling, another word is BAND, band, which means feeta. He stretched the rubber band till it snapped. BEND, band, has two different meanings, jhukna or modna. It's hard to bend an iron bar. BETTER, better, means behtar. It is better to be alone than in ill company. BETTER, batter, means दाव लगाने वाला. He is an experienced batter. The one who bats is called batter. BATTER, batter, means ghol. Grease the pan before you pour the batter in. Next word, BILLET, billet, means सैनिकों के जत्थे ठहराने का स्थान. Many citizens were happy to billet the soldiers in their homes. Here this word BILLET, billet, can be a noun and it can be a verb. BILLET, billet, means lakdi ka kunda. See, it is the same spelling but meaning is different. A billet is lying over the ground. BILLET, billet, also means laksh, aim. Every bullet has its billet. BLOCK, block, means मार्ग रोकना या मार्ग रोध करना. They blocked the passage with tables. BLOC, block, means gut. He declared himself the head of the block. Block means a group. BLOCK, block, means bhavan samuh, means a group of building, or gutka, means a log, a wooden log or any log. There were outdoor cafes on almost every block. Another example, the old man chopped the block of wood in two with a single blow. So here you had seen 4 words with the same pronunciation but different meaning. Next word, BOAR, boar, means suar. Wild boar are numerous in the valleys. BOOR, boar, means gamwar. Don't be such a bore. BORE, bore, means ubna, or another meaning is to make a hole, means ched karna. I am getting bored in this game now. Another example, this drill can bore through rock. There is one more word with the same pronunciation, BORE, bore, which is the past form of bear, means sehna ya vahan karna. After years of hard work, his efforts finally bore fruits. So here you can see we had seen 5 different words with the same pronunciation. BOW, bow, means dhanush. He drew the bow and shoot an arrow. Another word, BOW, bow, means jhukna. He refused to bow down before the king. BOW, bow, with the same pronunciation and same spelling, we have another meaning, that is jahaj ka agrabhag, the front part of a ship. Never pole a boat from the bow. Next word, BREAK, break, means viram. It looks like she will be too busy to stop for a coffee break. BREAK break also means mauka. Please give me a break to show my talent. BREAK break also means todna. You should not break the law. CANVAS canvas means एक प्रकार का कपड़ा. Example, canvas boots are all right, but they are not as waterproof as leather. CANVAS canvas means chitrafalak. Here you can see the spelling is same, the pronunciation is also same, but the meaning is different. The painter swept a brush over his canvas. CANVAS canvas means vote मांगना. The party decided to canvass for support of its new policy. Another new word, CAPITAL capital means Rajdhani. Beijing is the capital of China. CAPITAL capital also means Punji, money. We don't have enough capital to buy new premises. CAPITAL capital also means Mrityudand. He advocates the return of capital punishment. CARAT carat means सोना मापने के लिए एक इकाई या फिर कोई भी महंगी ज्वेलरी नापने के लिए इकाई. A carat is the universal measure of weight for a diamond. CARET carat means एक निशान, a mark. Insert a line break at the current carat position. CARROT carrot means gajar, a vegetable. He cut a carrot for salad. Next word, CEREAL cereal means anaj. They ate a large bowlful of cereal. SERIAL serial means dharavahik. My favorite serial is running on the channel. SERIAL serial also means anukramik, means in a sequence. Each computer has a serial number on it. Another example, it's a film about a serial killer. CHANNEL channel means Choti Nehar. The English Channel is between France and England. CHANNEL channel also means Pranali, a system. Always follow a proper channel in your professional life. CHANNEL channel means again the same spelling and the same pronunciation, but the meaning is different. This is TV channel. Please tune the television set to channel 4. Next word, CITE cite means उदाहरणार्थ प्रस्तुत करना, to present an example. I will just cite some figures for comparison. SIGST cite means दिखाई पड़ना. Don't judge man or things at first sight. SITE site means sthal. The site must be completely cleared and made safe for children. CURRENT current means at present, Vartman. We try and keep ourselves informed about current trends. CURRENT current also means Vidyut Dhara ya Dhara. The swimmer was swept away by the current. CURRANT current means Kishmis. It's a dry fruit. She reminded him of a current bun. Next word, FARE fare means kiraya. What is the fare to Delhi? FAIR fair means nispaksh. My father is always fair in taking decisions. FAIR fair means गोरा या सुंदर. ये दोनों अर्थ अलग अलग हैं. A fair face may hide a foul heart. HALL hall means a big room. Vishal Kaksh. The hall was full of audiences. HAUL hall means खींच कर ले जाना. They managed to haul the heavy box out of the room. HAUL hall, with the same spelling and same pronunciation, it has different meaning, which is प्राप्त वस्तु. The fisherman had a good haul. Another example, the thief got away with a huge haul. Next word, ISSUE, issue, means prakashan. A full discussion of that issue is beyond the scope of this book. ISSUE, issue, also means vivad या फिर मुद्दा. Race is a highly explosive issue. Another example, there was no issue at all between us. ISSUE, issue, also means adhikar se dena. The seller has to issue a tax invoice. Another example, the judge must issue a summon. MALL, mall, means shopping center. I like to go to that mall. MOLL, mall, means एक गुंडे की महिला साथी. She is a characterless lady and so she turned into a gangster's mall. MAUL, mall, means आलोचना करना, to criticize someone. Her novel has been badly mauled by the critics. Next word, MANTEL, mantle, means चूल्हे के ऊपर का भाग. Remove all objects from mantle to see if this eliminates the smell. MANTLE, mantle, means nakab ya labada, a kind of cover. The earth has a core and a mantle around it. Another example, a mantle of snow lay on the trees. MENTAL, mantle, means mansik, related to mind. And it also means pagal, means mad. I keep suffering these mental lapses. Another example, she is a sort of mantle for her job. So here we have seen 4 words with the same pronunciation. MIGST, might, means power, prakram. Everyone respect him because of his might. MIGST, might, also means saka. It is used for possibility. It is the past form of may. It might rain today. MITE, might, means chota ya alp matra, less in amount. Poor little mite, he looks so tired. Another example, she is a mite shy. Next word, object, 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 means एतराज करना. I will not wear this dress if you object to it. With the same pronunciation and spelling, another word, object, means a thing, vastu. Look, there is a strange object in the sky. And another meaning of this object is aim, laksh. Life has a value only when it has something valuable as its object. PALATE, palate, means talu, the upper part of the mouth. She is having itching in the palate. PALETTE, palette, means चित्रकार की रंग मिलाने की पटिया, the board in which the painter mixes the color. He picked up his brushes and palette. PALLET, palette, means चटाई या थपकी. We fixed a palette in the kitchen for Nancy. Next word, PEEK, peek, means झांकना. Stop peeking into the neighbor's house. PEAK, peak, means sikhar, the highest point of something. She is at the peak of her anger now. PIQUE, peak, means manmutav. She had lied about it out of pique. PLAIN, plain, means मैदान या सामान्य. These are two different meanings of the same spelled word. Examples are high mountains rise above the plain. Another example, the book is written in plain English, means simple English. One more example, she wore a white blouse and a plain black shirt. Plane, plane means Viman. The plane was about to take off. Plane also means Samtal. I need a plain surface for drawing something. Next word, rain, rain, which means barish. I am waiting for the rain to stop. Rein, rain means bagdor ya lagam. My father always kept us on a tight rein. Reign, reign means Shashankal. How long did Queen Victoria reign? Another example, his reign has never been considered particularly noteworthy. RIGST, right, means sahi ya fir dahina. So here with the same spelling we have two different words with the different meanings. Example, he always give right suggestion. Another example, sit at my right side. RIOT, right, means danga. Police used tear gas to put the right down. RITE, right, means dharmik kritya. This festival descends from a Chinese rite. Another example, a cleansing rite was performed before building started. WRITE, write means likhna. Write an application if you want a leave. WRIGST, write means karigar. Get the wheel right to repair the spokes. So here we have seen approx 6 different words with the same pronunciation. Next word, SOLE, soul, means ekmatra. Example, his sole aim in life is to enjoy himself. SOLE, soul, also means tala. I have got a hole in the sole of my shoe. SOUL, soul, means atma. I don't believe in souls. Another example, punctuality is the soul of business. SUIT, suit, means kapda. He flicked the dust from his suit. SUIT, suit, also means mukaddma. She has filed a suit against him. With the same spelling and same pronunciation, SUIT, suit, the meaning is different, that is anukul. Yellow doesn't suit me at all. Next word, VAIL, veil, which means jhukna ya nat karna. People veil to show respect towards others. VALE, veil, means ghati, that is valley. Behind every mountain lies a veil. VEIL, veil, means khungat. She lifted her veil with both hands. VAIN, vain, means व्यर्थ या बेकार. We searched in vain for the missing book. Another example, he is a vain and ignorant person. VEIN, vein, means nurse. The surgeon performed a section on the vein. VEIN, vein, also means manodasha. The girl is not in the vein for singing today. Next word, WAVE, wave, which means leher. A wave swept away his home. WAVE, wave, also means leherana. Dog waved its tail in joy. WAIVE, wave, means छोड़ देना या अस्वीकार करना. They agreed to waive the cancellation charges. Another example, we have decided to waive the age limit for applicants in your case. I hope you liked this video. For more examples of homonyms, keep watching the other videos in this playlist. Thank you.